Yeah, I'm a harbor. He's going to squeeze by in a hurry.
He did watch Bob that phone going. Not. You idiot.
Well, I'm recording your leaving on my screen. I have a screen capture. So
Seriously?
I've got it recording for you, so I'll send it to you
I
guys.
can't wait to see it.
Yeah, you probably got a whole lot of people right there in that one little area all trying to use their cell phone at the same time. So where y'all are on the front of the boat? Yeah. Okay. Alright, well I will keep this recording. I get 10 minutes of a free recording, so I'll see if I can't record and I'll upload it and send y'all to YouTube. But how long will y'all have cell service? If y'all... Oh, I can see you turning finally.
What are you doing, Laura? What is it that you're doing? What is it, Loaster?
Not much of a delay. It's coming. Yes. Yeah, down beside the battleship. I'll tell you when he's out of my view. But he's right in the center of my screen. Looks like y'all have almost swung that back end around. Who are they talking to? Oh. Yep, so that little boat is moving and he's almost out of my screen. There's a lot of people on that boat. On that little boat that's, okay, I'm going to tell you, it is just entering out of my screen, and now it's completely out of my screen now.
They're going!
I'm waving at you with my mouse. Can't you see it moving?
Both of you dorks.
Yeah, Jason says we're dorks because we're watching you and recording you.
You know they're actually living it right now? They're living.
I know, I'm on the phone with him while he's living it, and I'm recording it for him. Alright, looks like y'all are straight ahead.
They're gone for a month. Mason thinks.
Mason thinks they're gone for a month.
You want to go to them?
Alright. Did she... Tell her I'm recording it, I'll just send her a video. She can do Port of Los Angeles live stream and it will show up. How many people are on your boat? Oh yeah, I don't see any big red water slide on the top. Yeah, he's not on my screen yet. Looks like y'all got two police boats, one on each side. So what bridge was that y'all are under? Okay, well, I've got it on full screen right now so that I get a good picture, a big picture of y'all. So are y'all right in the middle, or are y'all on the left or the right side? Okay. Yeah, you can. I mean, you can see that there are people, but obviously you can't make anybody out. It's way, way, way too small for that, but you can see that there are sticks lining the. Well, I think the first time y'all went up, y'all tried to wave a towel or something and we couldn't even see you. It's a pretty boat. Y'all have all sorts of decoration on the side. Yeah, I guess there may be a little bit of a delay. I mean, you're not out of my screen yet. Yeah, the police boat is just about out of my, yeah, he's, your nose is entering the exit of my screen, so. Yeah, you can tell there's people along the top, but you know, it's way too far to be able to tell who anybody is or see anybody individually. It's just people. Is that the police boat making all that noise? Oh, okay. Alright, well the nose is gone. So y'all have a balcony room? Oh, okay. Alright, well, you're almost out of my screen. Well, y'all have a wonderful time. Alright, love you guys. We'll see you later. Alright, bye.